So today we are going to solve a UGC NET question from Mathematical Economics, which is asked in the December 2022 batch. So let's look at the question. We have given the demand and supply functions, and we have to find the producer surplus. So we have the options here, and we know the equation for producer surplus, that is P into Q minus integral 0 to Q PS dq. So what we have here is the producer, the supply function and the demand function. So we have to find the value of x and p so that we can apply it into the equation. Here x is same as the q. So how to find the values p and x? We already know that at equilibrium the demand equal to supply. So we can equate that equation. In equilibrium, demand is equal to supply. So we can write it as 20 minus 5x is equal to 4x plus 8. Now we are going to take the constants to one side and the x to another side. So we get 20 minus 8 is equal to 4x plus 5x. So that is 12 is equal to 9x. That means x is equal to 12 by 9. That is 4 by 3. So now we have the value of x. So to find the value of p, we just need to put the value of x in one of those equations. So I am going to put it here. So I am going to put it the value of x in demand function so that I could find the p value at equilibrium. So the p value is 20 minus 5 into 4 by 3, which is 4 into 5, 20 divided by 3. And we get 20 minus 20 divided by 3, taking 60 minus 20 divided by 3, which is equal to 40 divided by 3. So now we have the value of x and the value of p. So we need to substitute this in this equation. So we get 40 divided by 3 into 4 by 3 minus integral 0 to 4 by 3 and the supply function 4x plus 8 dx. Okay, now let's solve this. We can write it as 160 divided by 9 minus, taking the integral, we get 4x square by 2. That can be written as 2x square plus 8x limit 0 to 4 by 3. Now applying the limit, we get 160 divided by 9 minus 2x square. We are adding 4 by 3 instead of x square. So 4 by 3 square plus 8 into 4 by 3. So we are not going to add 0 because in both this there is 0. So it's going to cancel. So let's say that's 0. So let's continue. It is squaring. We get 16 into 2, that is 32 divided by 3 square 9 plus 32 divided by 3. So here we can say the 32 by 3 is common in these 3. So when we taking the bracket open, the plus sign will change to minus. And we can take 32 divided by 3 as common. So we get 32 divided by 3 into 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Let's solve this. We get 32 divided by 3 into 5 minus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 1 we get 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 3. 32 divided by 3 into 1 by 3, which is 32 divided by 9. So the producer surplus is 32 divided by 9, that is option B.